In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin extensions to the toolbar in Google Chrome. This is a simple but very useful Chrome tip that can help you access your favorite extensions much faster. If you use tools like ad blockers, note takers, password managers, or productivity extensions, pinning them to the toolbar keeps them visible and easy to open whenever you need them. To begin, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window where you'll see the three-dot menu. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From there, find the Extensions option and click it. This will take you to the area where Chrome lets you manage the extensions installed in your browser. If needed, open the section to Manage Extensions so you can locate the specific extension you want to work with. This page is helpful because it shows you all the extensions currently installed, and it's where you can confirm that the extension is already added to Chrome. Now, once your extension is already installed and available in Chrome, it may be pinned automatically. If that happens, you'll be able to see its icon directly in the toolbar at the top right area of your browser. That means it's already easy to access, and you can simply click the icon whenever you want to use that extension. If you want to check it, just look at the toolbar and see whether the extension appears there. This is especially helpful if you use the extension often and want one-click access without having to search for it again later. On the other hand, if you decide you don't want that extension visible in the toolbar anymore, you can remove it from there. Removing it from the toolbar does not necessarily mean deleting it from Chrome completely. It simply means you no longer want the icon shown in that top bar, which can help keep your browser looking cleaner and less crowded. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, manage your extensions, and then check whether the extension is already pinned in the toolbar. If it is, you can click it and use it right away. If you no longer want it there, you can remove it from the toolbar. That's all it takes to manage how extensions appear in Google Chrome, and it can make your browsing experience much more organized and efficient.